all, namaste. Welcome to another episode of Soul Speak with Sonam. If you are a new visitor to my channel, thank you so much for being here today. Please do like, share and subscribe. It encourages me to make more videos, and do feel free to get in touch with me for a private tarot session. I have 14 years of experience and my sessions are extremely detailed with no time constraint. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your love and support. As always, don't forget to check out my other videos. Any PayPal donations are welcome. If you like my videos, I would love it if you can support me in any way. And do let me know always in the comments what is it that you like about my videos, what you would like to make me to make in the future. I love to read all your comments, so keep the love coming in. I also have, as always, a fun game, a fun intuitive game to play with you, so that one person will win a free mini reading from me. One or multiple people will win free mini reading from me. If you want to be the one, then don't forget to like this video and comment on below. And for those who have never gotten a free mini reading from me, I will pick one lucky winner. And today I am here to do a pick a card reading for your career and finances for the near future. So let's see what the next couple of months hold for your career and finances. I'd also like to just add that I have recently started doing in-depth twin flame reading. So if you are in a twin flame or a soulmate connection and you want more details, then do get in touch with me. And now I will pause here while you go and choose your card. Hello, welcome back. So those of you who have picked pile 1, let's see what the next couple of months hold for you in terms of your money and finances. This is a timeless reading, so this reading will be applicable whenever you see it. So it does not matter at what time you come across this reading. And I'm quite excited to be doing this. So let's see. So 2 cards have come up which tell me that right now you're probably more focused on something in your emotional life or your personal life, and finances is not a priority for you right now. What I feel is that you're not really focused on your finances at this point of time. And one thing that I would like to warn you about is that in the near future there could be one person who approaches you for some financial help, and it is advised that you do not help this person, because I am not liking their energy and they seem to not be having your best interest in their mind. So this is a person who might contact you to borrow some money, or this might have already have happened. Maybe this person contacted you recently for maybe this is someone you know and they tried to borrow some money from you, or they tried with some sort of a business partnership or some sort of an offer towards you, and the cards are suggesting that you do not go for it right now, because this person's energy is not very conducive to you. So I would advise you to not go into business with them or not lend them money if that is an option that you have. So either this person might have already come in, or this person is about to approach you, and in the next few weeks or months I feel that there will be some sort of happiness coming for you from in your work and in your money and finances part, because there's some sort of a good news coming your way. And you just need to have a very clear head, and you need to just take very right decisions, because as I told you, I'm sensing some sort of a negative energy around you, and someone might want to take you for a ride whether you like it or not. This person could be a Capricorn, or I could be picking up on the energy of you if you are a Capricorn. I would say that, or a lot of you could be water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So please be ultra careful of this one. So sometimes, we might come across a deal or a project or some sort of a transaction which seems too good to be true, and we feel that, oh my god, we must go for that. But this card tells me that this is not the right opportunity for you. So if you get any opportunity in the near future that is related to your work, mainly career and money, finances and money, don't go for it just because it looks good on the surface. Do your due diligence, do your homework. I would seriously recommend that you dig deep, you do your background research work, so that you don't get any surprises later on. And this card is asking you to keep a very calm and clear head and take very well thought out decisions, rather than just go for something which you might regret later on. So there is a high chance of that, and if you are able to do that, if you are able to have a very clear head and go for a decision which really is the right one, and it's a well informed decision, then there is a lot of happiness coming your way. Again, I will reiterate that I feel that all the people who have picked pile 1 are not very focused on money right now. They are more focused on probably love or relationships in general. This could be a love relationship or just their personal life. I see a lot of friends and family. Maybe you've been spending a lot of time with your friends and family. I overall see a lot of socializing energy with you, around you, is what I can sense. So that is the energy that I'm sensing, and I feel that you're not really running after money right now. That is not something that you are chasing right now. I feel that your focus is elsewhere, and you seem to be in quite a happy place, and there can be a big windfall gain or some sort of a hike or bonus or something at work, or if you are into business, then it could be a deal which is coming your way. So something is definitely coming your way, and you need to just make sure that you take the right decision and you don't fall for this opportunity which seems too good to be true but is actually not right for you. So this was for all the people who picked pile 1, and now I have this very interesting game for you where I'm going to, so I have this card here. This is a major arcana card. Major arcana cards, for those of you who are into tarot, will know this. They are from 0 to 22. So I have a major arcana card here, and I want you to guess the number on this card. The numbers are from 0 to 22. So if you guess correctly the number on this card, then you get a chance. If you guess correctly, you will win a mini free reading from me. I will get in touch with you. What you need to do is you need to let me know in the comments what is the guess number between 1 to 22 that you think this card has, and I will tell you if you are correct, and if you do, then I will give you a free mini reading. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know in the comments what resonated, what did not, and once again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And now we move to the second part of the reading. So all the people who have picked pile 2. So let's see what the next couple of months hold for you when it comes to next couple of weeks or months, when it comes to your money and finances. Wow, amazing. The card that has fallen out, so I always believe that while I'm shuffling, if a card falls out, then it has a special meaning. And this card that has fallen out is the 9 of Cups. This is the wish fulfillment card of the deck, and this is extremely a nice card to get. Oops. Okay, so for all the people who have picked pile 2, what I sense is that your career or your money is your financial status is going to improve significantly in the next couple of weeks or months. I feel you getting stronger from your current position wherever you are at. I feel that you will be at a much stronger position than you are currently. The Strength card is this shows someone who has gone through a lot of difficulties and has now learned how to deal with different kinds of setbacks, and is now at a much stronger position than he or she was before, and they have accumulated a lot of learning over time, and now they are doing they're doing a lot better, and they now know how to deal with things which would have upset them earlier. So this is the kind of person who has seen a lot in life, a lot of setbacks, and they have learned through it. She is half lion. If you notice, she's half lion. So this person is so strong. She has tamed the lion within her, and she's tamed the lion outside of her. So she's very strong. You do have a wish fulfillment coming, and your financial status is about to get much more stronger. I feel that a lot of you might be dealing with some sort of a career change. or you might come across a job offer and you will be confused whether you should go for it or not. This card tells me that there could be a decision of some sort with you trying to choose between two options. You may be confused, should I take that job or should I stay? So I do sense that there is some confusion, and this could be something which takes you by surprise, and this is something which you do not expect. So it seems to be a sudden offer that you're getting, and you may not have been very happy with the kind of finances that you're making or the kind of money that you're making right now, which is very justified. It happens with a lot of people. Most people feel that they earn less than what they deserve, and that is exactly what I feel. Now what I'm sensing is that you are probably trying to look for a way out of this current situation, and this is coming your way very suddenly. This might be an offer, an opportunity from outside, and for a while I feel you will be very confused if you should indeed go for it or not. But in the end, you're going to emerge stronger than ever, and this is a wish fulfillment card for you. So your financial status is going to improve, and it's going to be better than ever before. This is so exciting, and this is for all the people who have picked pile number 2. I'm so excited for you. One more card that I will pick out for you shows that you just need to trust the situation, and if things have been a little stagnant for a while, then this card says that just trust and take that first plunge, or just jump, and you will be taken care of. Everything is working out fine, even if things do not look that way in your external reality right now. So thank you so much. And now I have this game for you, but this is a major arcana card which is numbered between 0 and 22, and you need to guess what is the correct number. And all the people who have guessed the correct number will get one free mini reading from me. I will get in touch with you, but for that you need to like my video, and you need to comment below, and you need to be a new subscriber, as in you need to be someone who have not read the cards for before. So I hope you win this, and thank you so much for watching. And now we get to the end of the session. So all the people who have picked pile 3, let's see what the cards are holding and what the cards say for the next couple of weeks or months for your finances and career. Let me see. So I feel that all the people who have picked pile 3, they feel stuck. They are dealing with financial setbacks, or they are feeling that they're not making enough money. They don't seem in a very happy place when it comes to their finances. They had some big dreams. I feel that they had some big dreams, but these dreams did not take off, or perhaps they were a little too outrageous or too ambitious, too optimistic. Maybe you dreamt of, you had a very big dream of achieving something, and that did not happen. So there's a sense of dreaming beyond limits. Or maybe you have a very big idea in your mind right now that you're dreaming of, which seems like a very huge deal, and you're not having the strength or the courage to go for it. Alternatively, you've already tried something like this and it did not work out, and now you're being asked to end the current cycle. So this current cycle of tough finances is going to end for you soon, but it will only end if you let go of the baggage that you're carrying. Look at the girl in this picture. She's carrying a lot of baggage, and unless she lets go of that baggage, she's not going to be able to start the next leg of her journey. So you are being asked to let go of all the baggage. What do I mean when I say letting go of baggage? So for instance, if you have had some sort of losses or setbacks in your finances in the past, then the cards are asking you to forget about them and move on from there, rather than continuously dwelling on what went wrong, because the more you dwell on something that went wrong, the more you manifest it in the future. I do see a person stepping up to help you. This seems like a Taurus, Virgo, or a Capricorn who might step in to help you at some point, and this person is going to bring some good news. However, I feel that after ending this cycle, the cycle ending is going to take some time. So there are 3 or 4 months of waiting period here, after which you will get some relief. However, I'm very strongly getting that you are clinging very hard to a certain situation and you're not able to let go. This could be a job opportunity, a business opportunity, a city that you're staying in, even a home. I feel that you know deep down that a situation needs to change, but at the same time you're not getting the courage to change it and you're still clinging on to it. And these cards are telling me there is a very strong need for you to get out of this rut and to change whatever situation you are in, because once you do that you will get you will get multiple options to choose from. However, for all the people who have picked pile 3, I feel it's very important for you to first let go of whatever it is you're holding on to and be patient, because it's going to take some time for things to work out for you, and only then you will have certain options to choose from. In the meanwhile, a certain person will step up to help you. Take that help, but until and unless you decide to let this cycle go, you're not going to get out of this zone where you feel stuck and tired, and you feel imprisoned in a certain situation. So this is for all the people who have picked pile 3. Do let me know in the comments if it resonated. I have an intuitive game for you. This is a major arcana card which have numbers from 0 to 22. You have to guess what is the card number here, and if you guess it correctly, then you can win a free mini reading from me. You need to like my video, you need to comment below, and you need to follow me. And this if you do that correctly, if you guess the number correctly, you will win a free mini reading from me. And do let me know in the comments if today's reading resonated with you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.